Hi, this is a video to show the best cutting practices for James Hardie fibre cement using the Hardie knife, with the best tips and tricks included. The Hardie knife is an innovative 3-in-1 score, snap and shave knife. It has been engineered to increase cutting efficiencies and reduce dust when cutting 4.5 to 9mm thick fibre cement sheet.
The Hardie knife has an ergonomic handle, safety protection cap, optimised blade angle, scraper, score and shaver. The Hardie knife allows you to cut the sheets once installed on the frame, removing the need for pre-cutting. HomeRAB Pre-Cladding 4.5mm can be scored and snapped using a single pass. Use a level to support the scoring to achieve a straight line. Pull the board towards you to snap off. Use a scraper for any rough surfaces, then clean the edge with the shaver. The Hardie knife is a quick and easy tool to pre-cut fibre cement sheets. We're going to score Hardie Glaze Premium 6mm. Measure up your size, score using the level, then snap upwards. Always snap upwards to achieve the least chipping and flaking. Use the shaver to clean the edges for a smooth finish.
So as you can see, there was hardly any dust produced, and this was done inside. This amazing handy Hardie knife needs to live in your toolbox. So go out and grab your Hardie knife from your local merchant store today.